what do you call it, Becca Cosmetics, and this is just a primer. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot it on my face. Never used Becca Cosmetics primer before, so I wonder how this is going to go. What does this bring me back to? It brings me back to when I first started doing makeup. I was like 18, 19 years old or something. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. The smell of it and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques sponge. And I guess they put a little logo on their sponges now, which I find extremely cute. But I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Classic Beige. I really like the smell of this primer. I'm like so in love. You guys have no idea. Like, it just brings me back to the days when I first started doing makeup. And I don't know. Maybe I gotta wet this more. Oh, weird. This sponge feels a little different from my other Real Techniques sponge, and this is like the same one, so I don't get why it feels different. Like, what is this? Oh, I got it another Influenster box, and it is from Becca Cosmetics. Looks like this. Open it. It looks something like this. And it just has like the information, pamphlets, and everything on top. Which, by the way, is very helpful. Helpful, wow. So they just give you a step-by-step thing with cards and everything. And it tells you the separate prices of everything. And the products look like this. This is going to be the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. And it looks just like, looks like this. And the powder is, but it's like white. And this here is $25. So yeah, got that. And then I got, this is the primer, the Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, which I need because obviously I'm fatigued and I don't get sleep. So anyway, this is beautiful packaging. It looks like this. Look at that. Like, it's like holographic freaking Becca Cosmetics. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so cool. I love this packaging, guys. So bomb. You open it and this is a primer. Packaging is like this. So yeah, the primer is like silicone, if that makes. Doesn't have a smell. Yeah, the primer was $32, and the under eye brightening corrector, and I think scratched some of my foundation off. What am I doing with my life? And this is $32 as well. So looks like this, and it's a salmon color. So it looks like that, and I already dipped my finger in it. It's very tacky, very heavy, which I'm a little worried about. Just gonna swirl my finger in it like this, warm up the product, because it's stiff if you don't. So just gonna do that, and I got some on my hand. And smooth it, pat it, and then I'm gonna go in, and I don't know, like, this primer, you guys, it feels like sticky, and I'm just not really sure because it's so heavy. So, I mean, it's okay, but I have lines under my eyes that I've been born with ever since I was like a baby, and it's a genetic thing, so it's kind of like, I don't really know if that's gonna help or not. Alright, let's put this concealer on, guys, and see how this works, because I'm just like, we'll see. So when I dip it, it's heavy, see? So I had to really just don't know. Like, what? So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my finger. I'm not gonna go ahead and okay, so this is the thing here with this. It literally looks like I'm putting highlighter under my eye. And maybe because it's the light color. Y'all see like the light reflecting? You see this? It looks like a highlighter under my eye. So, I'm just like, dude. And with my Real Technique sponge and see what it does. It's even, but look, it literally looks like I have a highlighter under my eye, and I just really don't know how to feel about that. So now that I got that going for me, and it feels extremely freaking sticky, I'm gonna go ahead and set this before it starts to crease. Oh goodness, I got a lot. So when I shook it, look, I'm shook it because I shook a lot out, and when I touch it, and from first hand, it feels really like fine and soft. So I'm too excited about this. Let's see. Put some in the top like this. My wet sponge, because it tends to take better when you put it that way. Now I'm gonna put the setting powder on. Like so. Sit under eye. So far, I don't see any type of creasing, so I might just be too excited about this product. Once I put that powder on and I'm baking right now, it literally, like, even my lines that I was born with under my eye look smoothed out. So I'm excited. Little excited, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. It's okay. For sure, this powder is okay, but it's just the fact that, wait a second, I got some powder in my eye, y'all. Okay. Okay, so since I have those fine lines under my eyes, and like I said, it's been there for the longest freaking time, those products wasn't able to eliminate it. At first, it looked like it was. Like, it filled it in a little bit, and my eyes do look brighter. See? My eyes do look brighter, but I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want to get close up, too close up, because then my phone, my camera gets out of focus. But I still have my fine lines. So concealer was too heavy, so that is a thumbs down for me on that one. I know it's like thumbs down. What? Thumbs down for me on that one. The powder is absolutely gorgeous. If I could, I would set my whole face with this. And the primer, I'm having iffy thoughts about it, but I do love this packaging. So packaging is like everything to me, so I'm keeping this. I mean, it brightened my eyes, so, but the concealer is too heavy. So this is a yay for me. This is a no for me. Maybe I could try it a little bit more, but right now it's gonna be a no for me. I feel like it's way too freaking heavy under my eyes, so yeah. That's one reason why I don't use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, because it's way, way too heavy. Even though it covers everything, it's just way too heavy for me. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my Becca review, Becca / try-on haul thing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what you guys, if you guys have any Becca products, or if you guys have any of those Becca products, let me know if you guys have it. And don't forget to subscribe. I don't know if I said that already. But yeah, and hit that notification bell so you find every time I film. Later. Bye.